Well folks, I'm at Los Cristianos Market and I'm going to do a wee walking tour of it, and I'll let you see what it's like, see what you think, and maybe we'll see a few nice wee surprises. So I'm going to start here. There's a welcome sign, so let's check it out. There we go, we've got hot dogs, jewellery. It's a really busy market. It's one of the best markets I've been in actually, I would say. Oh, sorry man. There's your purses and wallets, t-shirts. I might get a Hard Rock hotel, sorry. I might get a Hard Rock cafe t-shirt, sorry. Cost a ridiculous price in the actual Hard Rock cafe, so may as well get a cheap one. It's like paying over the odds for something. So there's wallets, purses, trousers. Oh, Jacqueline likes them. More jewellery. Fans. That's a really good market. But does it have my spices? That's what I want to see. Football t-shirts. So fridge magnets. €1, that's quite reasonable. Can't grumble at that. So there we get bags and purses, dresses, sunglasses. What have we got here? Oh. No. Don't you touch my camera. Get something. So, what we're doing? That was a bit ignorant. Somebody just tried to grab my camera. Fucking arsehole. You need to watch. I kind of get it, you don't want to be on camera, but here we go. That's never happened to me. I filmed a couple of markets and that's never happened. See, there's the t-shirts. I need to see if I can get a Queen one. I don't see a Queen one, I'll need to come back. Trainers, socks. It's just the kind of usual stuff. I'd like to get that one, but I've got never really to put it. The toys.
Hi, how are you?
I'm just looking. Have you got a Queen? Oh, don't worry, I'll cut you out. I don't film the people. I just look about. Honestly, don't worry. Somebody went to grab my camera, but I'm like, I'm not for them. I just do it quick. So don't worry. Have you got a Queen one? Queen? No. Oh, that's right. Thanks anyway. I have to say, I'm really shocked. I filmed a few different markets and nobody's ever bothered me. I'm quite shocked that somebody would go and try and grab my camera. It's got a gimbal at the top of it, so I mean, it could damage it. I'm sorry, it could easily have asked me, look, sorry, don't put it in me. Instead they decide to grab it, I was like, no, you're not in, pal. But then there's somebody there says, oh no filming. I was like, no, it's okay. I was like, I'll cut you out of it, you know what I mean? But that guy grabbing the camera, I'm going to keep him in it. If I don't know if he actually appears on it, if you just see his hand grabbing it, but I'm going to keep that in, let you see it. How rude. So anyway, my guess is he's maybe selling dodgy stuff. So I'm going to go up to the second part of the market. hopefully they're a lot more friendlier over here. Now, believe it or not, once I did have a market stall in Saltcoats. Didn't do very good at it, but it was worth a try, you know what I mean? There's dolls and things. I think they're all basically the same. I've not seen any spices or anything like that. Just disappointing. So I'll take a wee walk around. I must say, I've not found anything I want to buy yet. Maybe the Hard Rock t-shirt, I forgot about that. Hard Rock t-shirt, I'll probably get that.
Hello.
Hello.
Cameraman.
Oh,
Have a nice day.
hello. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Do you know, I went past somebody and he went and grabbed my camera.
Nice,
Aye,
nice
it's
market.
definitely.
Tenerife.
Definitely. It's a good market. Best market in the world.
Best market in
Oh,
Tenerife.
cool. No problem. What's that?
Yes.
Yeah.
She's
Aye,
very
I'm
cool,
done.
very good.
Very good man. It's so nice for you doing that. I was just talking about how rude two people were doing to me there. You know, like, Donna, don't film. And I'm like, ah, man, but I'll quite use it. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. You too. Take care. Jet Set Dan. Jet Set Dan.
JC Dan.
Jet, Jetsetdan. Aye.
Put in your video. Put in.
Aye. There.
Perfect.
If you subscribe, thank you very much, guys. Okay, God bless. Thank you. They were really nice. My faith in humanity is restored. Thanks, guys. Anyway, let's see. So far, I've not seen anything other than the Hard Rock Hotel t-shirt. Sorry, Hard Rock Cafe t-shirt. There's a couple of wee Queen things, but nothing that I'm too bothered about. So I'm just going to take a wee walk up here, and I think I'll be finished soon. I must say, there's nothing that I really want. Hard Rock Cafe t-shirt, that's it. But that says it's not often I buy anything at a market, so I just like looking about and see what there is. Because sometimes you get a real gem. Well folks, that was the Los Cristianos Market. I have to say, it's a nice market. Don't let the fact that somebody tried to grab my camera out of my hand put you off. That was just one of the stall owners. But if you got my camera and you see him, I wouldn't buy anything off him. That was quite rude. He could have asked me and I'd have explained, no, if you don't want in, I'll edit you out, you know. So then I met another person in the stall and they thought I was filming them, but I wasn't. I was just filming just in general things around the market, and it is a public space. So you are allowed to film. But I'll edit them out because they were nice about it. So the other guy, if it appears on it, I'll probably keep it on. I may have swore on it, so that might have got deleted. But we'll see. Anyway, a big thank you to the two gentlemen. I never got your name. I need to get in the habit of asking people their names. That was really nice of you. I was kind of like, oh, it's so disheartening when you get somebody like that. But they were really nice guys. I'll maybe go back actually and see if I could buy something from them. So we'll see. I'll see if they've got anything that I like and I'll buy something off them. And I'll walk past that guy that I bought something and say, look, I went and bought something. I don't know, maybe not. It's a bit vindictive. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, folks, and I'll see you in the next one. And check out all my other videos. I love Tenerife. It's a lovely place. And take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.